Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Raven Bart palette from Makeup Revolution. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think it is. It's so freaking pretty. I love this little palette. I'm so excited that I have it. Sorry, my dog's shaking in the background. So I did go ahead and give this little lippy a try again today. It's the Hello Boys from ColourPop. The other day I had a little bit issues with it. Today it's much better. I think the issue that I was having, so every day when I get up and I do my skincare, I put this stuff on my lips. It is a lip restoration and I usually put it on in the mornings. By mid-afternoon it's like soaked in pretty good. So whenever I did that the other day, I think that it just hadn't soaked in enough because I literally did my makeup like right after my skincare soaked in. So yeah, I think that that was just making the product kind of move around a bit. Today I didn't use it when I woke up and it's sitting so nicely. I'm not having issues with it like I was the other day. It was literally all over my teeth the other day, all over my face. It was crazy. So now using it without anything underneath it, I really like this and I would definitely recommend it. Just don't put any sort of moisturizing product on underneath. So yesterday I did an outdoor Halloween boudoir theme shoot. So obviously I'm not gonna be able to put any of those pictures up for you to see, but yeah, it was a fun time. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in this video because my daughter keeps popping in right here on my side. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Do you think you're gonna try and pick up this little palette? I think they're only $15 at Ulta, so that means they would qualify for the $3.50 off coupon, so save a couple bucks, grab this cool little palette. If you enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.